What's up, everybody, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Me and Nathaniel have a really exciting surprise we can't wait to share with you guys. So let's go take a look.
Alright guys, well this is it. This is our new home on wheels. Come on inside, I'll show you around. This is it, the Ram ProMaster 3500 extended cab. It used to be a delivery van, so it has these shelves and these lights. But now, it's our home on wheels. We're gonna have to take all of this out, the bulkhead, the shelves, everything out completely, and then start from scratch, insulating it and building our home in here. Just want to send out so much gratitude to everybody who's following us and supporting us on this journey. Thank you to everybody at Oh So Brewery. You guys know who you are. We love you so much. Thank you so much for all the support and all the love. It just means the world to us. If you made it to the end, blessings to you. Please subscribe, like, and comment a place we should travel to.